Welcome to the fascinating world of SAP B1 Workflow. In this slide, I'll be giving you a sneak peek into what it's all about, why workflows matter, how they bring structure to chaos, and the magic they bring to business efficiency. If workflows were superheroes, SAP B1 would be their trusty cape. Get ready for automation and productivity bliss. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's dive deeper. This slide introduces SAP Business One Workflow, a tool designed to simplify and enhance your business operations. Whether you're running a startup or a mid-size company, SAP B1 is tailored for businesses like yours. Think of it as your dependable assistant that keeps everything running smoothly behind the scenes. Let's break it down. Workflow automation isn't just fancy tech. It's the secret sauce to productivity. This slide explains how automation slashes tedious tasks, sharpens accuracy, and makes communication a breeze. It's like having an invisible butler who never drops the ball. Oh, and decision-making. It's like flipping a switch for clarity. Now we get technical. SAP B1 Workflow has some impressive components: a powerful engine, event tracking, seamless SAP module integration, and interfaces that even technophobes adore. Think of it as a sleek sports car, packed with cutting-edge features. The best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to drive it. Configuring the workflow service isn't rocket science. Trust me, this slide walks you through the process like a friendly guide. You'll learn to fine-tune settings, keep everything flowing like a river, and tackle hiccups with ease. It's all about turning complexity into simplicity. Let's get started. Setting up workflows is a breeze with the SAP B1 Service Manager. In this slide, I'll show you how to roll up your sleeves and get things rolling. From assigning roles to running flawless tests. It's like prepping a race car for the big event. You want everything in top gear. Creating workflow templates is where the magic happens. This slide explains why templates are key and how to design them to suit your needs. Think of it as building the blueprint for efficiency. Customizable, practical, and tailored to your workflow aspirations. Let's design the perfect workflow. Templates can't shine unless they're activated. This slide covers the importing and activation process, making sure it's as smooth as butter. Whether it's compatibility checks or seeing workflows in action, it's all about breathing life into your templates. Let's make them work for you. Managing workflow tasks is like being the captain of a ship. You steer operations, set priorities, and ensure everything is smooth sailing. This slide shows you how to monitor, track, and resolve issues with a smile. Remember, even the smallest task matters when building a masterpiece. Let's talk about user roles. Think of a workflow like a well-organized party. Every guest has a role. Some set up the decorations, others bring the snacks, and a few make sure no one spills the punch. Assigning the right permissions ensures smooth operations, avoiding workflow chaos. Too many admins. That's like everyone trying to DJ at once. Confusing and unproductive. Executing a workflow is like running a relay race. Each step passes the baton to the next. Monitoring progress keeps things moving smoothly, while identifying bottlenecks is like spotting a runner slowing down. With optimization, you ensure the team finishes strong, avoiding workflow mishaps. The goal: no dropped batons, and no one tripping before the finish line. Workflows come in many flavors. Approval workflows, like getting sign-off on a party theme. Automated processing, like a self-checkout, efficient and hassle-free. Multi-stage workflows, think of a multi-course meal. Each step builds towards completion. And custom workflows, they're like DIY party decorations, tailored to fit the occasion. Troubleshooting workflows is like fixing a leaky faucet. It's all about finding the source of the problem. Spotting common errors early prevents a flood of issues later. Debugging, That's your toolkit to patch things up. Data consistency keeps things flowing smoothly. And prevention strategies make sure you're not stuck fixing leaks every day. Optimization is like cleaning up a cluttered workspace. You remove unnecessary steps to get things done faster. Reducing manual tasks ensures less human error, while automation makes things run like clockwork. And analytics, that's your magnifying glass to spot inefficiencies and keep everything in top shape. All right, folks, let's wrap things up. First, let's quickly revisit the key takeaways, so you don't just nod along and then forget everything later. What we discussed can truly make a difference, but only if put into action. Speaking of action, here's what you can do next to get started. And lastly, I'd love to hear your thoughts, because good ideas get even better with the right input. So let's keep the conversation going. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.